So today I am doing a fashion show. So let's get started. And I'm gonna accept buddy requests. So if anybody wants to be my buddy, you can be my buddy. I'm gonna do space because that's hard. And everybody's like crumbled where I am. So dance when done. Dance when done. I hate when that happens. I have tips on right now, so it's like hard to type. Oh, dance when done. Sorry for the background noises. So I wrote dance when done. And this, okay. So, 1 second. It looks like I have boy eyes right now. There we go. Okay, let's see what people do because I hope they understand it's like actually space. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do 5 rounds or a little more. I don't know. Let's see. This is gonna take long because not a lot of people have a lot of like astronaut space stuff. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. So 2 people. So let's dance when done. Okay. Okay, so she looks like a skier. It's okay. Okay. Sure. I don't have free chat, so just 2 more. Okay, 2 more. 2 more. Wow, he's good. D15945 is really good. Okay, let's see. 2 more. Okay. There's 2 more left. Someone left. Maybe they got a refresh or something. I'm just like waiting here, sitting. Okay. Okay. 1 more. This is hard. It's not very good. Yes, it is. Okay, I want to change. So if you're watching this, I want to change my YouTube name. So if you know how, comment down below if you know how to change YouTube name. Thank you. It's not very good. Okay, there's only 3 people saying I'm going to be out. Okay. So, geez, my bad typer. If you're out, you still do a round. I am a bad typer with these texts. definitely like a space outfit. You know what I mean? I gotta hurry. Okay, she has one thing. Wow, okay. No! Not yet. Oh my god, stop rushing me. Not yet. Jeez. There's gonna be a few more rounds, like three more rounds. Okay, next round is next round should be dinner party. Yeah, dinner party. Dinner party. I mean, I don't think that's hard. I'm giving them an easy one. Dinner party. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. How rude. Wait, did she unbuddy me? She unbuddied me. Okay, no, she didn't unbuddy me. Lego friends. She didn't unbuddy me, okay? I mean, I don't care if she didn't, but I'm like, this is so boring. Let's run this round. Okay, so then we'll see who the ultimate winner is because really, you know. So she's already dressed. It's pretty good. I mean, let's see her animals. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. She's dressing as the same thing. Okay, winner is Kitty Lily. She's really good. This girl's just putting on the same outfits. What should I gift her? Let's see. I should gift her. This is so hard because, like, I don't know what to gift. Like, I'm not a good person, to gift. So, I'm not really sure. Oh, Jesus Christ. My mom is vacuuming right now. Okay, got your clothes up there. What should I gift? I'm just gonna gift her, I'm gonna gift her, yeah, I'm not sure, like, these turkey wings? No, that's too bad of a gift. I'm gonna gift her, I don't know what to gift. No, I'm not gifting her shorts. I'm gifting her these rare cowboy boots. Good game and enjoy your gift. Ugh. Okay. People are so confused right now. Let me just, yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh, I love that outfit. It's so cute. What the heck? I hate when I'm like typing have a good day and they leave when I send it. So, okay. So guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. and turn on my notifications every time I post. I'm gonna post a lot lately, and then maybe I'll slow it down. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!